Hi, it's Erica Lynn with Graff, and today I'd like to share with you a little bit about our beautiful finishes. So to begin, we have to go to our manufacturing, and we do all of our own plating as well as all the manufacturing beforehand. And because of that, we're really able to offer so many beautiful and unique finishes. And so we do currently offer 21 beautiful metal finishes in a variety of tones, everything from your chromes and nickels all the way to 24 karat gold and rose gold. This is our gunmetal, and this is a great finish. It has a bit of that industrial vibe. If you're looking for something, a little bit of an alternative to a matte black, this is a great option for you. It's also PVD, which essentially means that it isn't going to change or deteriorate with use. It's going to look like this for many years to come. The other finish that I'd love to highlight is true 24 karat gold plating. So you can't get anything more luxurious than this when you're talking about plating. And this is shown on our Mod Plus faucet with the beautiful black marble detailing. See all the finishes in person at the Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center in Torrance, Calabasas, Studio City, and Costa Mesa.